Hello everyone! Today from my kitchen. It's a kind of day I don't really want to go outside because which doesn't happen very often, but we here in Queensland we have a rainy and cool kind of day, middle in winter. So now I'm going to do lime vinegar from scratch. And I was thinking I will take you with me and show you how I do it, because this is super simple, and lime vinegar or citrus vinegar is perfect for all sorts of cleaning, surface cleaning. Today I will show you how I do it, and in the next video I will show you how I know that it's ready, and also how I prepare it for using then. So today the first step, basically, how to start a vinegar. By the way, before I start, let me know if you like this kind of videos from my kitchen here. So if you do, I can do more videos like this. But now, let's start with the vinegar. I've got the limes, I've got raw sugar, I have a 2 liters jar that I have already cleaned and sterilized. Means I have rinsed it with boiling water. So this one is nice and clean. And I have filtered water. If you don't have filtered water, you can use your tap water. This is rainwater, which we are collecting and filtering, and we are using it for in the kitchen. But if you have just city tap water, so you can use it, you can boil it and let it cool to a room temperature. The limes, I just have taken some of here, basically the oldest one and the ones I want to get rid of, and I will wash them because they're a little bit of dirty, so they need to be clean, nice and clean, and I will see you in a second. So I'm back. Limes are nice and clean. I've got my jar, and what I'm going to do is basically cutting the limes just randomly in pieces, and also checking if there is nothing wrong with them, because I don't want to have any, like moldy, faulty, spoiled limes. They need to be still in a good condition. Yum! Beautiful limes. Look, there is a little bit of like a dark end, so I am not going to use it. Yeah, I like this end too. And here some darker spots, probably nothing wrong, but we can be picky when we have so much of it. Okay, that would be it. So now my jar is full. Now we get our sugar. We need the sugar to start the fermentation going. And I'm taking about half a cup. It will depend on when I'm doing all sorts of different fruit. It will depend how sweet the fruit is. Obviously lime is not sweet, so I will take about half a cup. But when I'm using very sweet fruit, so I will use about 1/4. Okay, so I've got here about half a cup of raw sugar. Pouring it in. and filling it with my filtered water. So now let's get a stir a little. So just a little bit, because when the fermentation process starts, this will bubble and the sugar gets dissolved. So now we need a cloth, cotton cloth, not nylon or something, so it really needs to be cotton. Or you can use a cheesecloth, you can use paper towel if you like, or coffee filter, and a rubber band, so no bugs, no flies, nothing gets in. And from now on, I will put it into a pantry. I will show you, I will take you with me. And from now on, it is really important to stir it every day, because otherwise mold will build up and you will spoil your vinegar. So this won't be really nice. If you want the vinegar, you have to stir it every day for about 2 weeks, until it stops fermenting, until it stops bubbling. When it stops bubbling, we still have to leave it like that, so the vinegar process can be finished. So usually I'm waiting up to 4 weeks. And then I go to the next step, which is filtering through and bottling, and basically having it ready for using. But for now, we have to be patient. We have to stir every day. Okay, when you forget once, it's not that bad, but it really should be stirred like every day. So it's good you place it somewhere when you see it every day. So now let's go to the pantry and I show you. And I've got 2 other vinegars going at the moment, so I will show you them too. Let's go. Okay, hello from my pantry. So here we are. This is my lime vinegar that we just started. And what I do basically every day, so now I've got 3 different vinegars. So this one will be stirred tomorrow, but I have these 2 that I have to stir now. So I have sultana vinegar going. So stir, stir, stir. Okay, clove back on. Zack. And I have here passion fruit vinegar going, because we have plenty of passion fruits too. Harvesting every day. I made jam and we are like drinking it with water. Tastes really delicious when you have passion fruit. Just stir it in water and drink it. So yummy. And we are eating them as well. But I made a vinegar too. So these guys are happy. Oh, piece of fabric. Okay. Zack. This one is done till tomorrow too. And so I've got 3 vinegars going. And you can see here my sauerkraut that I just yesterday made from freshly harvested cabbage. So yeah, this one is nice, fermenting in here too. So all these guys sit together until they are finished. Wasn't it easy? So yeah, we are done for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell and so on, you know. Please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to let me know if you would like to see more of this kind of videos out of the kitchen. So yeah, in the next video, the vinegar series video, I will show you how I know that the vinegar is ready, how I know if it's acidic enough, and yeah, how I make it basically ready to use. So yeah, I will hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. So stir it, stir it, stir it. Cheers. Hmm.